Testing. Hold on, let me see. I refresh for more time. Okay, okay. Hi everyone. This is just a short demo, a very short demo. I would like to show you guys like how I'm doing a very simple uh, programming in Java on how to build CGPA calculators. So before we go into the programs that we need to do, this is like first we need to have a UML class diagram. So we need to have this UML class diagram. We have to before you need to do to build it. So we draw it first. Like for example, um, is either way if you just strict for the coding also can, but you need to have to translate back to the code. So you have to uh, examples like here. Okay, so you do the examples like here. So um, you set the attribute. So UML here I'm choosing for the class diagram. So you have the like the name. For example, this is like matching to what I'm putting here. So you have a public class students. So and then you have the names, and then you have the number of the subject. You have the total of the grade point, total credit hours, the grades, credit hours. So you can see you have listed here. And after that, you need to have your operations or your methods and so on. Then you need to put it into your diagrams. So like for example, the students, and then you have the get name, set name, get number of subject, add grade points, calculate CGPA, and then print details. Okay, you put it here. So this will be the simple UML class diagram for my this simple CGPA calculator. So in order to have this like for example here I put a student, so later you can reuse whatever the method here, the attribute here, so for a better object oriented. Okay, so here after you have this one, so you need to have the main program file. Okay, the main program file here I call it as a CGPA calculators. So you can see I have a main, just a main. Okay, the main program here. Okay, maybe I just showing here. So first you need to prompt example. This is just an example. As I said, there will be a lot of the way to writing a CGPA calculator. So for me it's just like I'm asking the user to enter the name, and then I store it, and then I do some basic input validation of a number of the subject. So let the user to decide how many subject they want to put, then you store it. Okay, and of course I do some basic verification, like you cannot like have a zero subject. Okay, or you put some invalid numbers. Then after that, from this is the object, the student object, whereby I created in the student file here. So I created, so you can see that here student equal to new student name number of the subject. And then here this is an array I'm storing here. Okay, I keep into the array mapping back to the grade. Then I do a loop, okay, to get the subject grades. and then a credit hour. So the basic logic for the CGPA calculator is you need to have your grade equivalent or associate with the grade point, and you need to know the subject is how many credit hours. So typically it's like 4 credit hour or 3 credit hour and so on. So I do a basic loop to get the subjects and just to get the number of the subject, and then I validate some grade. Again here it could be have a different ways of doing that. So this is my methods. Okay, just do some basic. Then of course I need to validate the credit hours. Okay, the credit hours I need to check whether the credit hour is it valid or not. The credit hour is it some funny names or not. Then after that I need to match back match back the grade to the grade points. Choose another for loops. Then after that I need to add it back, put together the student dot add grade points, and then the student dot print details. So this trying to align with whatever I'm doing here. So okay, I have the set, I have the get, and then I have the method, the basic one. So let's give a try on this file. So if you run it, so we can just for examples, okay, just put a name. Then for example I just want to put 4 subjects. So just let me just move it here a little bit. For example, I know I got an A plus here. So I know this credit hour is 4. Then I know another subject is A, and another credit hour is 4, and then is B plus for third subject, and then another credit hour, maybe this is 3, another one is B, and then I got another subject is 3 credit hours. So with this is the one I printed out. It's a very simple presentations on the screen. So how to verify on all these things is like I always encourage, like if you can, you need to use Excel. Okay, first you need to put in back the grade according to your university, according to your college. What is the grade associated with the point? Then after you have this one, you need to do a like basic like verification, or if you want, you can use some calculators and so on. But this is something I trying to do, so you can know that I trying to put like 1 2 3 4. Okay, I put the grade, then I put the credits, and if I calculate back and I get my CGPA like 3.61, so I validate back to the code here 3.6. This is the rounding. So yes, so this is the simple uh, um, CGPA calculator. So when you done this one, then you no need to use Excel file. So you can show to your friends that you have a small simple Java programming with a little bit like object oriented um, programming. Yeah. So well, okay. I think yeah, that's all for my sharing session. I hope you like it. So yeah. Okay, thank you so much. So I'm going to stop for these presentations.